Alright, so part 2 wheels video. Took me a few weeks to get everything sorted. Um, so again, this is a 2022 R8 RWD Performance in Mythos Black. I added the Vorsteiner wing on the rear, a few other bits around the car, QuickSilver exhaust. I'll have some videos coming up on the QuickSilver. And a few folks asked for to kind of compare the wheels that I had added versus the stock wheels and rims that came with the car. So kind of did my best to at least do a picture-in-picture here. You can see the bottom left is what came on the car factory. Those were the only wheel options that they offered on the 22. So went aftermarket to get something a bit more aggressive for what I was looking for. I was originally looking at Brixton's, but it could be up to a 12-month wait. So after 5 months, came across these online called Stance. You can see on the 22, which has a facelift in black, pretty aggressive look versus my 18. I like them both, but maybe it's just because it's new or refreshed, but certainly the more I have the 22, the more I like it. And the more I like it with these wheels. 20-inch on the front, 21 in the rear. 21s look really aggressive, but not too big on the rear. The color had a factory option, or the wheel option, of gunmetal or black. Kind of wanted something in between, so they had this custom finish. It's a satin finish called like charcoal something. But either way, if anyone's interested, send me a note and I'll get you the specifics. The offset turned out pretty good. I went just slightly more aggressive than stock, but not quite as aggressive as some folks have done on their R8s, and that's good for me. Tried to take a few videos in different lighting. I know people were asking how they look in terms of, is it too light or too dark? You know, I guess the best I could describe it would be definitely darker than gunmetal in the sun or shade, but certainly offer some contrast, a lot more than black. I like black wheels on, lighter colored cars, but on a black car, while I like it, in this case, I wanted to go with something that had some contrast, because the grill's all black, obviously the car's black, and I feel like it keeps the car looking very aggressive, but with some contrast. You can see the offsets. Tried to kind of take some angled videos there. The fronts are almost flush. They look pretty good. The rears, can't quite see it in this angle, but they turned out pretty good, and it doesn't have the tucked-in look that the factory wheels did. So I'm pretty happy with that. The red calipers, I feel like, give a, kind of pop the sides out a little bit. And the car has a really nice aggressive look to it. Overall, I feel like the wheels fit with the style of the car, the wing on the rear, and overall really happy. So next video is coming up. I have need to do some exhausts with the QuickSilver and the valve controller that I put on. That's turned out really, really well. Fits the character of the car. And of course the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's in the rears 325 has a really aggressive look on the rear, nice wide tire. So I hope this helps folks looking for R8s and with these wheels, and I'll be posting a few more videos here shortly. Thanks everyone.